Experience next-level comfort at Canopy Gainesville, where you can feel right at home, but better. Depending on your pick, these spacious 2 to 4 bedroom apartments are stylishly furnished with a warm, cozy bed, a dedicated study space, and a massive TV in the living room. Perfect for movie nights. Whip up deliciousness in the kitchen of a chef's dream. The full-sized kitchen has stylish granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and modern equipment. Plus, tackle heaps of laundry with in-unit facilities. Enter beast mode at the largest gym in the market and hit all your fitness goals. Dip in the lagoon-style pool or swim laps if that's more your style. Don't fret about who you're going to live with. There's roommate matching available too. Say hello to speedy Wi-Fi and water, both included in your rent. Located primely on 4400 Southwest 20th Avenue, you are a short drive from the University of Florida, perfect for quick commutes and staying connected to campus life. Grab your spot at Canopy Gainesville, now with amberstudent.com.